Welcome to the top best. The best Mango Ginger Laundry Detergent is probably one of the most invigorating and effective ways to tackle your laundry, infusing your clothes with a bright, tropical scent while powerfully lifting stains and odors, making laundry day a more pleasant and refreshing experience. Number 5. Tide PODS Spring Meadow Laundry Detergent, 81 count. Discover the refreshing scent of Spring Meadow with Tide PODS. Experience a powerful clean that leaves your clothes smelling fresh and looking bright. Tired of measuring and messy spills? These convenient pods offer an effortless way to get a superior clean every time. Just toss one in. Our advanced formula penetrates deep into fabrics to lift away dirt and stains. It tackles even the toughest messes, ensuring your laundry is thoroughly cleaned. Enjoy the invigorating scent of Spring Meadow that lasts long after the wash. Your clothes will feel as fresh as they look. Get more washes with this convenient 81 count pack. It's the perfect size for families or for stocking up and saving. Make laundry day simpler and more effective. Choose Tide PODS for a clean you can trust and a scent you'll love. What we like? Tide PODS offer a powerful, all-in-one cleaning solution. Their convenient pre-measured pods make laundry day simpler. If you're looking for a no-fuss, effective detergent that tackles tough stains, this is a great choice. What people say? The pods are super convenient, no measuring, no spills, just toss one, or two for heavy loads, in and go. They dissolve perfectly even in cold water, tackle tough stains like grass, food, and sweat marks, and leave clothes smelling fresh and clean without any overpowering scent. My whites stay bright, colors don't fade, and there's zero residue or film on fabrics. Number 4. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry. Earth Breeze offers a powerful clean in a convenient, eco-friendly sheet. These sheets tackle tough stains and odors effectively. They are also gentle on your skin, making laundry day a breeze. Say goodbye to bulky plastic jugs. Our liquidless soap is perfect for travel and kind to the planet. Enjoy a fresh scent with every wash. Each package provides enough for 60 loads of clean laundry. These versatile sheets dissolve completely in both hot and cold water. Get a great clean no matter your wash cycle. Experience the simplicity of our detergent sheets. They offer an effective and mess-free solution for all your laundry needs. What we like? Earth Breeze offers an eco-friendly, liquidless laundry solution. These sheets are incredibly travel-friendly and gentle on skin. If you prioritize sustainability and convenience, especially for travel or small spaces, these are ideal. What people say? Got my clothes, clean and smelling fresh. Clothes come out clean. Never going back to liquid with all the extra chemicals. My clothes came out clean and smelled nice. Number 3. Method Fabric Softener Ginger Mango 53.5 fluid ounces. Discover the delightful ginger mango scent of Method Fabric Softener. It leaves your clothes feeling incredibly soft and smelling fresh. Infused with the vibrant aroma of ginger and mango, this softener transforms your laundry routine. Enjoy a tropical escape with every wash. Our formula is designed to be gentle on all your fabrics while effectively reducing static cling. Keep your clothes looking and feeling their best. Each load comes out with a lasting, pleasant fragrance that you'll love. Experience the difference that quality ingredients make. This pack provides ample supply for all your laundry needs. Enjoy the convenience of having your favorite fabric softener readily available. Elevate your laundry with a product that cares for your clothes and your senses. Choose Method for a superior fabric care experience. What we like? This fabric softener leaves clothes exceptionally soft and smooth. It provides a long-lasting, delightful scent derived from plant-based ingredients. If you desire a luxurious feel and a pleasant aroma for your fabrics, this is the perfect addition to your wash. What people say? The scent is amazing, a nice blend of mango and ginger that leaves clothes smelling fresh. It's a powerful detergent that tackles tough stains effectively, even on whites. A little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective choice for laundry. Number 2. Method Liquid Laundry Detergent. Discover the power of Method Liquid Laundry Detergent. Its refreshing ginger mango scent will invigorate your senses while tackling tough stains. Don't let stains win. This formula is designed to lift and remove even the most stubborn marks, keeping your clothes looking their best. Enjoy the delightful ginger mango scent that lingers on your clothes. It leaves your laundry smelling fresh and clean after every wash. With 66 loads per bottle, this detergent offers excellent value. You'll have plenty to keep your wardrobe fresh for a long time. This convenient 4-pack provides a total of 264 loads. It's the perfect solution for busy households that need a reliable and effective detergent. Please note that the packaging may vary. Rest assured, the quality and effectiveness of the detergent remain the same. What we like. This liquid detergent is a powerful stain remover with a refreshing scent. The value pack provides a large quantity for many washes. If you have a busy household with frequent laundry needs and want effective stain-fighting power, this multi-pack is a smart buy. What people say. Cleans well, scent is good, not overpowering. Does not cause skin irritation as my skin is very sensitive. I guess it's a win-win for me and my family. The bottles are sturdy, the spout provides a dripless pour, and the cap has a clear measuring line. Cleans well and doesn't leave a strong detergent smell on your clothing, which is especially great when wearing cologne or perfume. Number 1. Method Laundry Detergent Ginger Mango 10 loads. Introducing Method Laundry Detergent, a powerful plant-based formula designed to tackle tough dirt and stains. Experience a superior clean with our concentrated formula. Don't let stains win. This detergent is formulated to be tough on even the most stubborn messes, while remaining gentle on your clothes. Enjoy the invigorating scent of ginger mango with every wash. It leaves your laundry smelling fresh and vibrant. Our 4x concentrated formula means a little goes a long way. You get 10 loads of powerful cleaning from a compact bottle. Choose a detergent that's good for your clothes and the planet. Method is committed to sustainable and effective cleaning solutions. Make the switch to Method for a cleaner home and a healthier planet. It's the smart choice for your laundry needs. What we like. This highly concentrated formula is tough on dirt and stains. Its compact size makes it perfect for small spaces or travel. If you need a potent detergent that takes up minimal storage space, this 4x concentrated option is incredibly efficient. What people say. It removed 99% of the stains. I love the way this makes my clothing smell, and I normally do not even enjoy mangoes. At least not for eating, but the light, general fruity aroma of this detergent is actually quite wonderful. Great smell mandarin. Smell stays. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.